classified into two types. One is the passive transducer, another one is the active transducer. In passive transducer, one of the most important transducer is resistive transducer. I will write the heading as resistive transducer. Very important, and my dear sweet children, you have to concentrate more and more. What you have learned today? Yes, I have learned about the resistive transducer. What is the definition of transducer? Yes, transducer is it is a device which is converts one form of energy to another form of energy, one quantity of energy to another quantity of energy, non-electrical quantity to electrical quantity. That's all. Yes, sir. What about the resistive transducer, sir? Yes, I will tell you. You know, some students, I will take some Manasa batch, they are doing one project with the help of LCD. Okay, in LCD, there is one pot is there. Just if you vary the pot, that pot is nothing but the potentiometer, variable resistor. If you vary that part, you can observe that variations. You can observe the variations in that intensity, that LCD. So if you vary a little bit, you can clearly observe the text in the LCD. So a resistive transducer is the best example for the potentiometer. Sir, what is the interlink, sir? Yes, you people mechanically varied that part. Then what happened? Electrically, display is changed. So what a beauty, Andy. Once think in depth. Can you think in depth? So in olden days, there are so much of TVs and radios are available. So just you vary that knob, what happened? If you vary that knob, what happened? So automatically sound will increase and decrease. Channel will change. Yes, same phenomena is also applicable here also. So what happens, sir? Yes, there is a Ohm's law is there. V equal to IR. Yes, Vagdevi, can you please, anyone help me? Vishali, anyone? Pawan. V equal to IR. If you changed the R value, then what about V? Yes, anyone, can you please help me? If you changed the R value, V equal to IR. If you changed the R value, then what about your favorite potential? What happened in the potential? Yes, potential is also varied. If you change the R, potential is also varied. So, sir, potential variate, what is advantage, sir? That is the great advantage. So, if you vary the R value, if the increase the R value, V is also increased. Potential difference is also increased. You have to take that much advantage. Yes, some of the students are used some temperature sensor. Yes, what is the purpose of temperature? Yes, the temperature sensor senses the environment temperature quantity and it is converted to electrical property. That sensor having it is having that property. That is the beauty of the temperature sensor LM35. There is 3 pins are there. One is giving analog signal, one is the power, and one power, two terminals are power terminals. Anyway, so now the resistive transducers. I'll discuss about the resistive transducer. Pawan, is it clear for you? Is it understand to you? The resistive transducer. The resistive transducer. I done small spelling mistake here. Resistive transducer or resistive transducers are those in which the resistance, exactly, the resistance changes due to a change in some physical phenomenon. అంతే కదా మానస, నీ గుర్తుందా? నీ ఎల్సిడి దగ్గర పక్కన ఉండే పొటెన్షియోమీటర్ ని చేత్తో రొటేట్ చేసావు కదమ్మా. అది ట్రాన్స్పరెంటరీ అవ్వచ్చు, రొటేషనరీ అవ్వచ్చు. యూ హ్యావ్ టు వేరీ విత్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ హ్యాండ్, రైట్? సో డ్యూ టు ఏ చేంజ్ ఇన్ సమ్ physical, I will write one important point, physical phenomena. I think some of the students did good projects in some competitions. Okay, in that competitions, you people designed so many projects. with the help of these sensors also. That is one of the best example for the physical phenomena. Physical phenomena. If a person crosses a sensor, what happened? That sensor is rejected that physical point of view. Same, if you use any tap, if you use any tap, under you can put your hands in that under the tap, what happened? Water will automatically come. That is not a magic. That is a simple electronic logic with the help of sensor. I think yesterday I given a golden example. Avunu movie, the heroine enters into the bedroom. What happened? Automatically lights are on. Once if she come back to hall, then those bedrooms lights automatically off. Immediately those hall lights and fans are automatically on. That is the beauty. Already I have given a best example yesterday itself. That is the use of the transducer. So then how you interlink with the resistive transducer, sir? Yes, I have interlinked. Why? Because you people vary the resistance value. One, if you vary the resistance value, what happened? Voltage value is varied. Then this variable voltage has taken as a great advantage. That is the in detail discussion about the resistive transducer. Yes, I will write them. Sir, yes. Any extension is there? Yes. You want to find out the displacement. What is displacement? The change in the position, that's all. So once if you vary the resistance value from one, there is some variac is there. Variac is there. In that variac is designed by conductor. I will write one golden point, very important point. The change in the value, the change in the value, the change in the, one second, the change in the value of the resistance, the change in the value of resistance with change in the length. Yes, exactly. With change in the length. Once if change in the length, what happened, Amma? If change in the length of the conductor, position is also changed. That can be used as what? Can be used to measure what? Displacement. That is the beauty, and yes, Lahari, can you please help me? What is the purpose of resistive transducer? What is the purpose? Yes, I will highlight this golden point. Can you please help me from your side? In future, I will help to so many times. So this is the beauty. What is the use of resistive transducer? Yes, with the help of this resistive transducer, we can measure the displacement. Any another extensions are there? Yes. With the help of this resistive transducer, we can measure force and pressure also. Yes, I will write down another points. Okay, that is called force and pressure also. How, sir? Yes, I will explain in detail for the next sessions. No issue. Give me some time. Yes. I will go with the next one is the potentiometer. Yes, sir. What is potentiometer? Yes, I will note down. Potentiometer. Yes, potentiometer is also called variable resistance or variac or pot. They're all under comes into a potentiometer. I will write one definition. A resistive potentiometer. Please listen. A resistive potentiometer consists of what? Pot. What is the use of pot? If you vary the pot, resistance value is varied. Then what happened? That element which looks like which likes how? Sliding, called a vapor, sliding or vapor. That's all. There are several types are there. The first rotation is translatory. The second one is rotational. The third one is helical shape. I will write down. I will write one by one. The first one. The first one. Okay. Anyway, I will close this one. I will take another one. Okay. I will save. Then I will take. Give me some time. JPEG. This is first slide. I can treat as second slide. Then I will save. Then I will select. Then I will delete and I will save. Yes, you people, there is a chance to enter into research side also. At that time, you have to need these type of environments. Okay, why? Because how I can save the document, how I can written in these documents, you have to learn these things also. For example, at the time of project time, you people will be explained about some concept. This is the best method. How Kiran sir explains, just you can take one example. Yes, the next one is the some advantages and disadvantages also there. I will explain in detail. Now I will go with the potentiometers. Yes, potentiometers are different types. Okay, the first one is translator. I will write down translatory type. Like translator means that is straight line, nana, straight line. The next one is can be treated as a rotational. Rotational means it is circular. Rotational. That's all. Rotational. 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 The next one is the helical. That's all. These are all some types of potentiometers. Okay, I will take one slide help with this from this diagram. It will be very clear. You can easily understand. Okay, Control A and Control C. I will paste here. Give me some time. Control V. Okay, 1 second. Control V. Just I have taken here. Okay, 1 second. Is it okay? Yes, it's okay. So these are the some types of the potentiometers. I will erase these are all those things. So no need this thing. Why? Because why you lead figure number. So this is the translatory type. I will bring this one to in this figure. Give me some time. I will paste here. The first one is the translatory type. Simply it looks like a straight line. If you vary the resistance value, input voltage is varied accordingly to the output voltage. Output voltage is varied. Once if you varied the R value, V equal to IR, R is varied, then what about V? V is also varied. That's all. That is the transitive type. Then come back to rotational type. Very simple, Nana. Just you concentrate. It looks like a rotational type. It's circle. See here, the circle is there. You can easily draw these diagrams also. In resistive transducers, you people draw these three diagrams, 100 and 200%, you will get 16 marks easily. Very simple. Input voltage, one variable resistor. You know, these discussions are very helpful to your end semester examinations. Then what about output voltage? Yes, V equal to IR. R is changed, and automatically is also changed. Same phenomena. Just this rotational, this arrow mark is fixed. It's varied. It has to be placed any one of the point in that conductor. This looks like a conductor. Yes. This looks like a conductor. Then you are come back to this looks like a two types. One is the straight line and another one is the rotational one. Combination of translatory and rotationary is called as a helical. So simply I can write this is a helical part. That's all. Okay. Now I will save this document. If any matter is required, definitely I will explain. Yes, what are the advantages? Yes, there are several advantages. Very easy to design. They are inexpensive, not that much of cost. They are useful for the measurement of large amplitude of displacements. Excellent. So large amplitudes, if it is required, large displacements is required at the time, these resistive transducers are very much preferable. Sir, any operation is required? Sir, there is no operation. This changing is happened with the help of mechanically. Once if it is changing from this place to this place, this total 10 kilo ohms, then what happened? If you placed here, if they just you can to split into 10 parts. This is one, this is two, this is three. 1 second, I will write down in detail. Okay, 1 second, 1 second. This is 1 kilo ohm. This is okay, okay. This is 2 kilo ohms. This is 3 kilo ohms. This is 4 kilo ohms. This is 5 kilo ohms. This is 6 kilo ohms. This is 7 kilo ohms. Once if you vary this arrow mark, immediately resistance also varied. What happened? If resistance is varied, V equal to IR, R is varied, V is also varied. I told so many times, just you have to discuss only this golden point, extend this point only. Very, very simple. And in Karthik Deepam serial, there is only some small logic. Still it is extended. Still it's prolonged up to 4 years. A small logic is there. A small concept is there. Same in transducer also. If you vary the resistance value, the conductor is also changes that position. Conductor also changes that position. Then automatically resistance is varied, voltage is varied. That variable voltage can treat as a voltage variable can treat as a advantage of the your given circuit. That's all. Any disadvantage? Yes, if you're designing anything, some disadvantages are there. Once if you're doing the sliding contact, there is a chance to broke out. There is a chance to wear out. Some misalignment also happened. No issue. That is not a big disadvantage. Okay. For example, UP process of disadvantages. Sometimes you have attended, sometimes you did not attended. But you people got full marks. You people get very good marks in final examinations. Of course, once if you get the perfect output, there is no issue whether attended or not. But one thing I will tell you, subject is due utmost priority. If anyone free from your side, just read my own profile picture. That is my own quotation. So hard work between success. Without doing hard work, the success is never measured. That success is waste. If you that lucky is not give more energy. Doing hard work, then success will give more results. The success is the best one. Once if you do the hard work. Anyway, this is already proved in your project works. No issue. Okay. Now, finally, again, I will save this document. I will save this document. I will enter into the next concept. Okay. This is Control C, then Control V. Okay. This can take as a 1 second. This can be treated as a third one. Okay. I will close this one. Once I have closed this one, then I will open this third one. Open this third one, then I will remove the internal content. No, not required. So Control A, delete, Control S. Right. The next our topic is some types of the resistive transducers. Yes. So you have people compulsory to measure. You people compulsory to measure resistance. I will note down. I will note down one by one. Yes, people. Yes, you have to concentrate. There is a chance. There is a chance my system will be hanged. But you people kindly support me. Resistance, pressure transducer. Okay, resistance, pressure transducer. Yes, Prasanna, are you there, Tali? Resistance, pressure transducer. Yes. Yes, this is also one of the example. Resistance, pressure transducer. I think my voice is audible. Can anyone please confirm it?
Yes, sir, it's audible.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
The resistance pressure transducer. Yes, the next one is the resistive position transducer. Obviously, your resistance transducer is exclusively used for to measuring the displacement. Then there is one more type is there, that is called resistance transducer. That's all. No need in detailed. No need in detailed. Not necessary. If it is necessary, definitely I will tell you. Again, I will tell you. నేను ఎన్ని మందికి అయితే ఈఎంఐ చెప్పాను, all students got O plus, or 90 plus marks, because I explained what if you write, then how marks you will get. Okay, here there is no need to write all those things. You have to write just outer sides, then give brief and in detail. Both are both. Sometimes you have to give some brief explanation, and sometimes you have to give in detailed explanation about it. Depends upon the marks. Okay, resistance pressure transducer. This resistance pressure transducer having some other extension is there, that is called sensitive. That is called sensitive diaphragm. Okay, diaphragm. This is also some name itself, some changes. One second. Diaphragm. That's a diaphragm. Okay, no issue. Moves, wearing the spring, moves the resistance contact. That's all. No issue. I will tell you one by one. I will tell you one by one. Okay, these are the some types of this resistance pressure transducer. Okay. Yes, sir. What is the operation behind? For the all type of transistors, operation is only one thing. That is called, if you vary the resistance value, you can easily measure the displacement because of change in the length in that conductor. That's all. So what is the formula? R equal to rho into L by A. What is rho? Resistivity. What is R? Resistance. What is L? Length. What is A? Area. So once if there is any chance in the length, once there is any changes in the length, what happened, Nana? What happened? Resistance value is varied. Yes, Pavan. If the variation in the resistance, what happened? Voltage is also varied. How the beauty, Andy? How the beauty? These are all automations are worked with only these transducers. Why don't you interlink with real-time examples? Okay. Yes, there wonderful equation is there. R equal to rho L by A. Rho is equal to resistivity, L equal to length, A equal to area. If there is any change in length and area, resistance value is varied. One resistance value is varied, potential difference is also varied. Based on these potential differences, we can take it as an advantage. Yes, advantage. Yes, sir. Can you please, sir, a little bit take as a fast? Sure, I will do it. I will do it a little bit fast. Give me some time. I will directly copy those circuit diagrams. No need to in detail. No need to in detail. Okay, one second. Okay, is there any changes to decrease? Yes, super. Okay, this is the 1 minute. This is how we can copy this one. Simply select this one. Okay, no issue. Control C, and I will come back to your original presentation. I will paste here simply. Yes, sir. Okay, one second. So this is the okay. I will do it here. Just erase this figure point. So just I will minimize this one. Then it will be very easy to understand. You can observe all those things. Yes, there are several blocks are there. Some outside, some outer shield is there. Some pressure insert. Yes, sir. What is this pressure insert, sir? For example, if you entered any market in Vizianagaram's area, some type of weightage machines are there. Some anchor is there. In anchor, just we can place it some like some things, all those things. In that anchor, some digital displays are there. So that can be treated as a pressure. Once if you apply that pressure, what happened? If you apply that pressure, there is a mechanical change in this bellows. See here, there is a mechanical change in that bellows. What happened? If there is any change in the bellows, there is change in this spring. So this is called resistance leads to external bridge circuit. This is some inductor type. If there is any change, then automatically this is one of the movable resistance circuit. Movable resistance circuit. If you apply the pressure at the upper side, there is a change in the bellows. Once if there is change in the bellows, automatically there is movement coupled to the respective resistances. That is the beauty, and that is the beauty. What happened? These are all called the resistances contacts. I told so many times, Ra. If changes the resistance, what happened? You know very well. So that is connected to the spring. That is the beauty. That is the beauty. I don't know whether you know or not how the weightage missions working. So this is the principle to working. I think you people having some weightage missions in your home. So what happened? Just you people simply stand in that mission. Simply you can measure the weight. How it will be happen? Based on this principle only. What happened internally? Yes, there is a pressure inlet is there and bellows are there. Some resistance leads to external this circuit is there, and finally movable coupled to movable resistance contacts are so there. Yes. Then what is next one, sir? Yes, there is extension is there. What is that extension? I will explain you. Give me some time. I will explain you. Okay, I will delete this one. No, no use this one. Already I copied there. Then I will take another one. I will take another one. That is called sensitive diagraph moves. Sensitive diagraph moves. I will take another copy. Okay, then I will minimize this one. So better I will take reduce this size, then it will be very easy to paste and that particular slide. Fine. Again I will reduce. Again I will reduce. So no need this figure. Give me some time. You will get good clarity in this one. Okay, again I will try to reduce. Okay, some clarity is missing. No issue. No need of that much of clarity. Okay, I will come back to original slide. Then I will paste here. That's all. Okay, see here. So if it is necessary, you can extend this one. Why? Because that is visible. Okay, control Z. Okay, I will do save here. Control C. Then I will come back original slide. I will do paste here. Okay, this is the exact explanation about this resistive pressure transducer. If it is necessary, I will to extend 1 second. Okay, okay, just give me some time. That's all. So this sensitive diagraph moves is also having, there are different pressure inlet there. Diagraph is also there. Yes, diagraph is that some operation is there, no need in detail. But the spring is compulsory. What is the purpose of spring? There is a spring having some mechanical movement. There is a tension action is there. What happened if you pressing the spring, immediately come back to original position. Once if you pressing that spring, there is a change into the resistance lead to external bridge circuit. So automatically there is change in these circuits. There is change in this part. What happened? If there is any change, then automatically same phenomena, resistance is varied, potential is also varied. So both are same, but here you have considered diaphragm. Okay, na? Diaphragm. So that is one of the element to use in the at the time of springs. Okay, na? So if you want in detail, just to go through the material, I will provide the material also. That's all. So why I'm not concentrating more here. So most of the times asked about only this pressure resistance pressure transducer. Just you have to explain only this concept is enough. No need to in detail. Okay, this is the resistance pressure transducer. Actually, I will write on one golden point, very important point. I will extend this text box. Resistance pressure resistance present transducer, resistance pressure transducer. What is purpose? Resistance pressure transducer measurement. Yes, measurement of MUASU. Lahari, are listening the class, amma? Measurement, measure in the resistive type of the transducer. Okay, no issue. Based in the change in the pressure, everything. Resistive type. That's all. Okay, no need to write this sentence. Not necessary. Because already we discussed a lot about this one. Okay. Resistive type. That's all. Okay, in the general case, pressure measurement is all. In this general case, we can use it in the pressure measurement. The sensitive resistance element may take the other forms depending on the mechanical arrangement on which this is a one. These are all above two are above two pressure transducers, pressure transducers are in are mechanical arrangement, or looks like, not no need to call the icon, depends, transducers are depending on mechanical arrangements. That's why ECE is very very beauty, and you learn so many things, especially in ECE programming, electrical concepts, instrumentation concepts, measurements concepts, mechanical concepts, everything we can learn in the ECE. Okay, if you have any chance to guide to your sisters and brothers, 100 and 200% suggest to take only ECE branch, because we can learn all those things. If you want interested in go to any banking side or any government sector side, then definitely immediately you can shift it. Okay, I will send one video about advantages of ECE, okay, to select to students, then you people send it to your friends and personal groups. Okay, Vishali, I will send one video link, then you have to send your friends, and Vagdevi, I will send one video to you,
Yes.
then you have to send to your friends. Okay, anyone, Yamuna or anyone is there. Okay, these are all the about two pressure transducers are depending on the mechanical arrangement. Okay, I will save this session. Like I will take just some another one. Okay, that is JPJ, that is the force. Within 3 minutes, I will close the session. Give me the some time. Thanks for your patience. You people rocked very well. Great patience from your side. I will save right now. Then I will take. I will close this one. I will take position. That is called, what is called, resistance position transducer. Simply I will take. Simply I can take copy. Why? Because of these are all very very important concepts. Okay, then I will delete this one figure. 13 point is not necessary. I will delete this one. Control A, Control C. Okay, no need to save. Then I will come back to my original. Just simply control. That's all. Yes, sir. What happened, sir? Yes, this is called resistance position transducer. You know, one wiper is there. In that wiper is connected with shaft. So once the shaft is just moving like a slider way, what happened? That vapor is connected with one coil. If the vapor is moving, there is 100% chance to change the conductor position, change in the length. Once if it is change in the length, what happened? R equal to rho L by A, rho L by A. The change in the length, resistance is also changed. Same displacement means what? To change in the position. The principle of the resistive transducer is that a physical variable under the measurement causes a resistance change in the sensing element. Yes, a common requirement in industrial measurement and control work, it is to be able to sense the position of an object or the distance it has been moved. That is the internal discussion about this position, resistance position transducer. Yes, I think you people observed in detail about this position transducer that is represented. There is a some model circuit diagram is also there. Okay, once if you vary with these resistance values, 100 and 200% vary with the potential differences between those terminals. Okay, so there is one typical method is also used. This is the typical method. Simply I have extended this one in a typical way. That's all. Okay, this discussion is exclusively for the construction of resistance position transducer. Okay, now fine. So up to now, what we are discussing. Just please give me some brief introduction. Anyone? So anyway, first I will tell you what happened. Okay. So there are several types of transducers are also available. Okay, just wait. Yes, there are two types of resistive transducers. One is the pressure transducer, resistance pressure transducer, other one is the resistance position transducers. Okay, now these are all very, very important. Okay, now 1 second, I will take the attendance. Yes, I'm very thankful to everyone. So many students attend today's class. So if anyone is left, just give permission